Well guys, unfortunately a second OptiSpark has bit the dust on this car. So maybe a few weeks till I get to it, maybe a few months, I don't know yet. But I was driving yesterday from church and I got on it a little bit out of the parking lot and I immediately heard a backfire and I thought, oh great. I was thinking, I bet that's the OptiSpark. And I got driving about 2 miles and it was just and then it died on me and I coasted into this parking lot here at another church. So unfortunately, the code's P1371, too few pulses, which, you know, that has to do with the optical sensor in the OptiSpark. It was the low resolution pulse. So the first thing I'm going to try to do is I'm going to change the Opti harness, which is super easy. I highly doubt it'll fix it, but there is a chance. So I'll start with the easy, and if it's not, then it's definitely OptiSpark related. But I'll show you what it's doing real quick. Alright, let's get in it. Let's see. I tried to start it earlier here, and it did not start, so I assume it's going to do the same now. But you never know with a bad Opti. It may fire up. Let me get that to focus on it. Yep, you see that? Just nothing. It would have started easily by then. No need to keep cranking it. Whatever, it's not going to do anything anyway. So I guess for the moment, all I've got left is the crap Camaro here, which it's doing great. This car's been amazing. It's had a couple of small issues, but for $800, you know, I couldn't complain with this car. It's fun, and it drives well, you know, other than the little vibration because of the screwed up wheel there. But so this will be my current car. You'll see some more videos of this. So just wanted to update y'all real quick. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. That one will eventually run again.